Hey guys, it's Miss Wagers. Today we are ready for a new lesson, and our I can for today is I can interpret a multiplication as a comparison. Goodness, I can't read today. I can interpret multiplication as a comparison. So let's get started. We have this problem here. Scarlett has 7 crayons in her pencil box. Liam has 4 times as many crayons as Scarlett. How many crayons does Liam have? So first off, I like to use a model to represent this. So I am going to draw the 7 crayons that Scarlett has, and I'm going to use dots. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. Now, Liam has 4 times as many as Scarlett. So that's telling me that he has 4 groups of 7. Times is another way to say groups of. So if I'm saying 4 times as many as Scarlett, and Scarlett has 7, I'm really saying 4 times 7, or 4 groups of 7. Multiplication or times is another way of saying groups of. So I'm just going to make 4 groups of 7. So here I have 1 group of 7. I'm going to put a circle around it to make it a group. I'm going to do 7 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Circle it to make it a group. There's 2 groups of 7. Third group. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And my 4th group. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Oops, lost my pen. Here we go. So my answer to how many crayons does Liam have? He has 4 times as many as Scarlett. Okay, Scarlett, this is like her groups of 7, but if he has 4 times, he has 4 groups of 7. So I can count all of these dots in here. So I'm counting by 7. So I have 7, 14, 21, 28. So my answer to how many crayons Liam has, 4 times 7, 4 times 7 equals 28. All right, let's try a different one. So here we go. 4 times as many as 7, we just said. Actually, let me go back to my pen, or not my pen. Boom, there we go. Wrong tool. Is 28. And then what equation can we write to represent the situation we just did? Okay, C equals 4 times 7, or 4 times 7 equals C. Now that C stands for crayons. The question was asking, how many crayons does Liam have? So we said he has 4 times 7, which equals 28. Instead of saying 28, the answer, I can substitute and write a C. 4 times 7 equals C for the number of crayons that Liam would have. Okay, so this is another way to write a number sentence. Next screen. So we have 3 times 9 equals 27. Here's the problem that goes with it. Will has 9 CDs. Jeremy has 3 times as many CDs as Will. How many CDs does Jeremy have? So let's check this out. Will has 9 CDs and Jeremy has 3 times as many. So we need to be writing 9 times 3, okay? Or we could say 9, or whoops, I'm getting this backwards here. Let me get my eraser. Okay, because our groups are of 9 CDs. Okay? Jeremy has 3, so that would be 3 groups of 9 because he has 3 times as many CDs as Will. Will has 9. Jeremy has 3 times as many. So I could write 9 times 3 or reverse it because multiplication, the order doesn't matter. 3 times 9 would actually be the appropriate number sentence to write this out. Now we see up here 3 times 9 equals 27. So let's check this out. Does this equation represent the number story? Yes, it does. How do I know? I just wrote this out. This would be if Jeremy has 3 times as many, he has 3 groups of 9, and we know groups of is another way to say multiply. So 3 groups of, I can change that to say 3 times 9 and equals 27. Okay, and what is the comparison being made? Well, we're comparing the number of CDs between Will and Jeremy because Jeremy has 3 times as many CDs as Will. We're comparing how many CDs Jeremy has in comparison to Will. Okay, a little bit more. So 20 equals 5 times 4. We could write a comparison number story to match this equation. So 5 times 4, that's like saying 5 groups of 4. So if I were to write a number sentence to say this, someone's going to have 4 of something, and someone else is going to have 5 times as many, or 5 groups of that. So I could say Alice, we'll use my dog's name. Alice has 4 toys. Ollie, that's my sister's dog, has 5 times as many toys as Alice. How many toys does Ollie have? Okay, so Alice has the 4, group of 4. Ollie has 5 times as many, so 5 groups of 4. 5 times 4 equals 20. All right, guys, that is it. So today we worked on interpreting multiplication as a comparison. So like something times as many. Have a great day.